Unlocking Healthcare Data Potential iDMX on SAP BTP and SAP S/4HANA with GenAI, a webinar hosted by McKinsol. Join us on March 15th, 2024 for an illuminating webinar as we delve into the realm of healthcare data governance and explore the transformative integration of iDMX on SAP BTP and SAP S/4HANA with cutting-edge Gen AI capabilities. Key topics to be covered: Introduction to Healthcare Data Governance, iDMX MDM on SAP BTP and SAP S/4HANA, Harnessing Gen AI for Healthcare Data Transformation, Real-World Use Cases, Best Practices for Implementing Healthcare Data Governance, Future Trends and Innovations, Q&A session. Interact with industry experts. An interactive Q&A session where attendees can engage with industry experts and gain insights into specific challenges and opportunities related to healthcare data governance. Don't miss this opportunity to gain valuable insights. Register now to reserve your spot.